Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background image in Mailchimp so you can elevate your email aesthetics, create a high-end studio atmosphere for your technical newsletters, and ensure your 2026 campaigns stand out with a professional, textured look. Let's get into it. First, open the new builder and access global styles. The first step is entering your design workspace and locating the master controls for your email's appearance. In 2026, Mailchimp's new builder is the mechanical necessity for this task because it handles background image scaling much better than the amateur quality legacy tools. Log in to your Mailchimp dashboard, open your campaign draft, and ensure you are in the Edit Design phase. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Styles tab, the paintbrush icon. This is where you control the overall studio environment of your email. To apply a background to the entire email, you must use the Global Styles settings. This ensures your software tutorial content sits on a unified, professional backdrop. Next, access the Background section and upload. To place an image behind your content, you need to use the specific technical controls for the email canvas. Within the Styles menu, look for the section labeled Background. Click the drop-down arrow next to it to reveal the advanced options. From the drop-down that appears, you will see an option to upload or select an image. Click it to open your Content Studio. In 2026, this drop-down is the gateway to your visual assets. Choosing Upload here allows you to replace a solid amateur-quality color with a professional studio-quality texture or graphic. Now you need to choose the visual that will define the mood of your 2026 technical guide or market analysis. Choose a high-quality image from your library or upload a new one. Use a subtle pattern or a darker studio texture to ensure it doesn't distract from your technical video scripts or tutorial text. The background image serves as the professional frame for your work. A high-end, well-chosen visual can make your software tutorial feel like a premium production the moment it is opened. And that's pretty much it. To add a background image in 2026, open the new builder and go to the Styles tab. Look for the Background section, click the drop-down, and select the option to upload an image. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.